Aqui pro YouTube, você não tá vendo que coisa diferente? I'm not filming you, Yasmin. I'm just filming the
White flowers were really, really nice. And some shades of green as well. But the faux flowers really come a long way. So I know
Hi
that.
guys, welcome to Nusha Styles. Long time not see. I know guys, long time not see. But if you are here, if you're still supporting this channel, please smash that like button, share with a friend, and tell the friend also to share with a friend and family members. We're here to stay. Thank you, my friends, for sticking around. Today, I'm bringing a different video. I am organizing, or better, setting up a table for my family. They came from the Netherlands to visit me, and we've been having a blast, guys. They want to come here and give me a warm hug and kiss, and we are here enjoying ourselves, literally spending the night, talking all night, sharing experiences, and talk about our childhood and everything's just nice and warm. See my niece Yasmin. Thank you so much for coming down, my darling. I know you wanted to be different, but life at the moment is happening. We enjoyed ourselves in the best way that we could. Thank you, my sister Lily, Elisa Cardozo, my darling Yasmin. Absolutely amazing for having you guys here, and my doors are always open for you guys. Guys, look at this delicious food. I'm cooking for them and I'm thrilled. I'm just so thrilled to have my family here with me. Just look at that. You can tell already it will be a blast, yeah? Stick around, smash that like button, please. This palm oil is so nice. There's so many varieties nice. That's the fish that I'm going to be making later. I'm making a vinaigrette here. And yeah, guys, please ignore all that junk at the back. Those are boxes. I picked that downstairs. We are having, something amazing is happening actually. We're getting a brand new kitchen and bathroom. Oh my God. And literally, the council is paying for everything, which is something great. I'm not, I don't have my own property, so I live in a council apartment, unfortunately. Made the wrong decisions, always worked full time as a young girl, got involved with the wrong person. A lot of things happen, but we're not here to blame anybody. At the end of the day, we made those decisions because we wanted to make them. So, yeah, guys, so I'm here chopping all the bell peppers and that. Um, yeah, we're gonna have an amazing meal tonight. My family been here 2 days already. I've cooked other things, but today my sister, because she lives in the Netherlands, you see, and she doesn't get the chance to. She lives in a small like a village. It's not say village, but village in Europe is not like village in Africa. But it's a small place, and there's no African shops there. So to buy the palm oil, to buy the beans and all these other ingredients, the fish, she has to go all the way to Amsterdam or Rotterdam, and it's very far and it costs a lot. You'll be surprised the price of transportation in the Netherlands is ridiculous. I can like book like a train ticket in advance to Manchester or to London. I can even pay like £20, £18. There it's like 50, 60 one way to go, one way to come back. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. I'm going to clean the fish, as you guys see here. We eat a lot of this particular fish in Angola. We actually sometimes when I go food shopping, I see like in the box, especially if I go to the market, it says what Angola waters, meaning that it's coming from Angola. So it gives me like a warm feeling in my heart that these fishes are coming all the way from Angola in London in the UK. I've seen a few times. But yes, guys, so my sister hasn't got the privilege
I've
where she's staying
seasoned
of
my
that.
vinaigrette here with a French style vegan, the vinaigrette from Morrison's. I've added some lemons, as you guys can see, but I also love these. Found these in a Sudanese shop. It's like specks of it's like potato salads. It's so nice. It's like I can't describe it. It's just so nice. Great for salads, and it just added the zestiness to this lovely vinaigrette. It's big enough for all of us, and I think it's gonna last until tomorrow as well. It's quite deep. This bowl here, it's quite deep. So yeah, so we have here tomatoes, cucumber, pepper, onions, and I'm gonna add chili, but the chili part will be only on my plate because my cousin and my niece, they don't like spicy food. So, but these traditionally we have with a lot of spicy, like very hot. In my plate to be like very hot, I've got like chili, bell peppers, and yeah, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to munch.
We're trying to record some, little TikToks and things like that. She keeps telling me every time, "Oh, we are here now. Make sure you take all your pictures for your social medias. I'll be filming you because can you imagine? It's very hard for me to record it myself, every single angle, and not having nobody to film you. Like even when I want to do like great styles." It's very hard. I need people to take me to town and photograph myself in these beautiful buildings. You just yourself there holding a camera. It looks very strange. I know a lot of people don't give a toss. I see a lot of people like they are in the digital world and working from home and doing all these vlogs and blogs and they film themselves. But I just feel so self-conscious that
This fish is nearly done. Oh, nice.
I'm just walking in front of a camera in town, everyone's staring at me. Everybody's staring, and people, I swear, in London, there's not much of that. But even though Birmingham is supposed to be the second city of the UK, but it's still very backwards. People be proper staring. So yeah, but anyways, we're just recording little things here and there. She also creating some content for herself. Yeah, great time, guys. Great time. But wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me at Nusha Styles on Instagram as well. Thank you so much. So, there at the table, I'm just recording a little video to put my social media. I mean, really, to have as memory. Like I said, they've never been here, so this is a remarkable time, and definitely need my family around me, and that means a lot to me. Thank you, girlies. Thank you. Amo vocês. Amo vocês. Yeah, so enjoying it. It was so delicious, guys. Very tasty. I mean, it's palm oil in beans. I mean, it's actually quite basic to make, but it's just the magic of the palm oil, guys. I mean, you have to try it. You have to try it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends. Please do that for us. Help the channel to grow by commenting, subscribing, showing some type of support. That is very important. I'm hoping that I'm not gonna get any, you know, problems uploading this video because I'm playing jazz. We love jazz. Can you imagine eating fish, African food, and playing jazz and listening to jazz? Is the best feeling. You know, you don't tell me you should be listening to Afro beats or something. No, the perfect scenario. Very serene, very lovely. We enjoy the amazing food, and that's what matters. I'm lighting the candle here. You know, just to say, guys, you can have a romantic, nice, glamorous sort of a setting for your family and friends. Regardless, it just make your environment look good, look nice, you know. And that was like it didn't cost me much. It's all about creativity. Those table, the napkins and all of that stuff, I actually saw in my sewing machine myself. I bought the fabric, I cut it, and I done that. I had a set of plates, table plates and stuff that they were like burnt orange, red. But some of the plates broken, so that's why I'm not using here. The idea was to have also the, the table napkins and tablecloth and everything in towels and like the table towels. My table is round. um I've got the fabric to make beautiful table dress, like wear, yeah. So here it is, guys. Sorry I'm all over the place because I'm watching them, just thinking I miss them so much already. That's all. Thanks for watching.